Aspirin 75 mg, commonly referred to as low-dose aspirin, is one of the most extensively studied and widely prescribed drugs in cardiovascular medicine. Although aspirin belongs to the class of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, at low doses its primary role is antiplatelet therapy rather than pain relief. In this lecture, we will comprehensively discuss aspirin 75 mg from a pharmacological, clinical, and safety perspective using standard medical textbooks and international guidelines. Introduction and chemistry. Aspirin, chemically known as acetylsalicylic acid, is unique among NSAID because it causes irreversible inhibition of cyclooxygenase enzymes. At low doses such as 75 mg, aspirin selectively inhibits platelet aggregation, whereas at higher doses it exhibits analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory effects. Brand names 75 mg. In India and many other countries, aspirin 75 mg is marketed under several brand names. These formulations are specifically designed for long-term cardiovascular prophylaxis and are commonly prescribed in outpatient and inpatient settings. Dosage form. Low-dose aspirin is available mainly as plain or enteric-coated tablets. Enteric-coated formulations reduce direct gastric irritation, although they may delay absorption slightly. However, antiplatelet efficacy remains intact. Route of administration. Aspirin 75 mg is administered orally, usually once daily. Taking the tablet after food reduces gastric discomfort and improves patient compliance during long-term therapy. Mechanism of action. Aspirin irreversibly acetylates the cyclooxygenase 1 enzyme in platelets, leading to suppression of thromboxane A2 synthesis. Thromboxane A2 is a potent platelet aggregator and vasoconstrictor. Since platelets lack a nucleus, they cannot synthesize new COX enzymes, so aspirin's antiplatelet effect persists for the entire lifespan of the platelet, approximately 7 to 10 days. Pharmacokinetics, low dose. After oral administration, aspirin is rapidly absorbed from the stomach and upper intestine. At low doses, aspirin preferentially inhibits platelet COX-1 in the portal circulation before undergoing hepatic metabolism. This explains why low doses are sufficient for antiplatelet action with minimal systemic effects. Dose. The standard antiplatelet dose of aspirin is 75 mg once daily. Studies have shown that this dose provides near maximal inhibition of platelet aggregation while minimizing gastrointestinal and bleeding complications. Indications, major. Aspirin 75 mg is a cornerstone drug in secondary prevention of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular events. It significantly reduces the risk of recurrent myocardial infarction, ischemic stroke, and vascular death. Special and selective uses. Low-dose aspirin may be used for primary prevention in carefully selected high-risk individuals. It is also recommended in pregnancy to prevent preeclampsia in high-risk women under strict medical supervision. Adverse effects. The most common adverse effects of aspirin involve the gastrointestinal tract due to inhibition of protective prostaglandins. Serious but less frequent complications include gastrointestinal bleeding and intracranial hemorrhage. Contraindications. Aspirin is contraindicated in patients with active peptic ulcer disease, bleeding disorders, or known hypersensitivity. It should not be used in children due to the risk of Reyes syndrome, a rare but fatal condition. Precautions. Special caution is required in elderly patients and those taking anticoagulants. Aspirin is usually discontinued 5 to 7 days before elective surgery to reduce perioperative bleeding. Drug-drug interactions. Concomitant use of aspirin with anticoagulants or other antiplatelet agents significantly increases bleeding risk. NSAID may interfere with aspirin's irreversible platelet inhibition. Drug-food interactions. Alcohol potentiates aspirin-induced gastric mucosal injury and increases bleeding risk. Taking aspirin with food reduces gastrointestinal discomfort. Monitoring parameters. Routine laboratory monitoring is not mandatory, but periodic assessment of hemoglobin and renal function is advisable in patients on long-term aspirin therapy. Lab tests, if indicated. These investigations help detect occult bleeding and assess organ function in patients receiving chronic aspirin therapy. Thank you for watching this comprehensive lecture on aspirin 75 mg. Stay connected for more detailed pharmacology and clinical medicine content.